Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to this video. And if you are new to this video is all about making money. Yes, as a software engineer or as a software programmer, if you're passionate about making money passively with your skill set as a software engineer, as a software programmer, this is the right video. This is the right video for you. And I believe if you watch this video to the right end, you learn how to make money with your skills as a software engineer or a software programmer. And this video is all about how to make money as a software engineer or as a software programmer. Yes, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Isaac, and in today's video, I'll show you guys how to earn money passively. Yes, my name is Isaac. As I have earlier said, I work. I have so many houses I used to make money, and this platform you're seeing on my screen is one of the means I used to make money, and it's a platform for freelancers, for software engineers like me. If I want to make money passively, this is a platform for you guys to make money from. And this video I will showing you step by step of how you can make money on this same platform. Also, the platform is called Truelancer.com, and I believe if you're into software engineering, if you're into software programming, and you are very good at your craft very well, this is the platform for you to make money. So first of all, I'll show you guys how I make this money from this platform. I believe if you have created more, if you have sacrificed more time, I've created more time and effort to apply to proposals, to apply to gigs on this platform, I will make much more than what you are seeing on my screen here. So far, and in this platform, I'll make $59. Let me reload the page for you to know that this is not a Photoshop. This is not a Photoshop. This is what exactly I've made on this platform. And I believe if I have what sacrificed more time, I will have upgraded my plan. Currently, I'm on the basic plan, which is the free plan. Assuming assuming at the end I decide to upgrade to a premium plan, I will be able to get more traction, get more views to my proposals, and at the end, any clients can accept my proposal and get more money and more dollars to my wallet, to my portfolio. So that just is all about that. Yes, in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make money. Yes, I will show you guys the step-by-step ways of you to register on this platform and how to make money passively too as a software engineer or as a software programmer. If you watch my video, yeah, first of all, this one it's about a project I worked on. I don't want to show you the client details and all because for privacy reasons I just decided to keep it that way. Yes, this project. Yes, let me show you what's gotten this morning. You're showing my screen here. I work for a client on this platform, and this client gave me a project that is WebSocket and Flask. So I work on this project for him. He was having an issue. He was having an issue querying multiple ticker on a trading stock platform. It's all about creating a trading bot platform. A trading bot software using Python. And this client was having issue creating querying so many tickers on this trading stock platform. And yeah, I just afterwards I got this offer, and I sent the proposal to him, and I accepted my proposal, and wow, I got the offer, and I make I did the project for him. At the end, I got paid for this offer. That's how I got the amount you're scrolling my screen here. So that's just all about that. And if you have the same skill set, you are very good at your craft, and you are really passionate about making money. This is where I will show you how you can make money on this same platform too. So first of all, this is a platform. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to sign up and start making money passively. But before I move further, I believe if you are watching this video, this is a passive way for you to make money. Assuming you decide to make it active way of making money, I believe you want to upgrade after making your first dime for free on this platform. You want to upgrade to a premium plan for you to start getting traction on your proposals, and start getting gigs as soon as possible on this same platform. So I want to register, and I decided to use my Zico Media Gmail to register on this platform. I just want to show you a step by step way for you to register. I'm a freelancer, and I'm looking for work. Apply as a freelancer. I'm an individual. I'm a company. For if an individual, a software engineer, a software programmer, you go for this first option. But I decided to pick the second one. So to become a what? To become a freelancer, pro freelancer, you have to upgrade. But for this video, I'll continue as a for sake of this video, I'll continue as a free user. So you have to complete all you have to complete all your your registration here. And first of all, select the category that describe your IT and programming. and availability, full time. Yes, you can decide to pick how much available you are for you to start getting proposals, start applying for gigs. If you decide to make it a full time, you can pick full time. If you want to make it a part time, like assuming I have a full time job, and I whenever I have the free time, I want to start making money from this platform. You can make it a part time, and the primary skills here is what software development. I believe, okay, I think I can only add one primary skills here. So like 5 years of what building software, and four. So I've updated my profile. So I'll move to the next one, which is about this Python, AI, full stack. Let me get a full stack because I'm very good at React and Python. I believe if I can check out, I'm not sure Python or React. Python or React. This for Angular. Yes, I'll pick full stack developer and add your skills, years of experience, and how competent you are with each of them. So at this point, I'm giving the option to add my skill set, like in each of the tech stack I'm very good at, and years of experience, and how I'm good, or years of experience I'll be using it, and how good I am in each of these tech stacks. So for software development, yes, I'll pick 5 years of working or dealing with software development. I'm an expert, so that's all about that. So I'll pick another one, Python. Well, this Python is 5 years and experts. So I'll keep on adding. I can add React. I'll add React here. React GS, 5 years, and so on. And pick advanced. So at this point, I was able to add some skill sets. Let me move to the next one, which is about you. This is where you add your bio, your mail, date of birth, the rates you want to be charging per hour. What for any gig, for any gig that you want to be working on in this platform, for any client, and write about yourself. This is where you have to write a simple bio about who you are, what you can do, and stuff like that. And this is where you put your time zone. If you are any, I don't know where you are watching my video from. It might be from Africa, might be outside Africa, it might be in North America, might be in South America, anywhere in the world. You can pick any time zone that is applicable to you here. The next one is the location. Yeah, Lagos previously. I said Lagos previously. Yes, I can decide to pick Lagos. Yes, I can decide to pick Lagos if I'm residing in Lagos. I can decide to pick, what is it called? I can decide to pick anywhere outside. It's just based on where I'm currently located in. So that's all about that. The education part is where you have to add your professional certifications you've had previously. Add it here. So whenever any clients that sees the proposals, that sees your what you can offer, they will check all your bio, check all your certifications and education requirements before they can give you the gig, before they can give you the job at that moment. So the experience, this is where you add your CV, what you can offer, what are the experience past places I've worked with, and the past people I've worked with, and stuff like that. This is where you add them. And now press continue. When you press continue, it will to show you a dashboard. Yeah, let me click on this guy here. So let me show you the dashboard. See, this is the dashboard for you, for where you can apply. Yeah, welcome to this video. Yeah, I believe if you watched the previous video, this is another part where you need to learn how to apply for jobs or for gigs that are tech related, that are software related. I believe if you watch the previous video, this is another video where I will show you how to apply for gigs on this same platform called Truelancer.com. So the first and foremost is, before you can move further in this video, I believe you've created your profile, you've input your KYC inside which I have done previously in the other video. And I believe if you have done that already, this is the next video for you to work on and to start applying for jobs. So the first and foremost is, yes, obviously this is not a Photoshop. This is not a fresh. I want to reload this page for you to show, for you to like to authenticate what I'm doing, not like I'm being fake or stuff here. So yeah, the first and foremost is I believe you should apply for the. I believe you've done the profile and all, and you've done the KYC and stuff like that. Yeah, yes. The next thing for you to start applying for jobs is to what, check the second button on the nav bar. So when you're on the nav bar, obviously I believe you're a software programmer or software developer. I watch my video. Yeah, and I want to teach you guys how to apply for jobs on this same platform, Truelancer.com. So you click on apply for jobs. When you click on apply for job, there will be some drop down that will some like list of jobs that will be shown to you. Yes, as a response. Yes, when you see the list of what jobs that will be shown to you as a response, you have to and click on this the first item, which is what item and programming. When you click on the first thing, which is item programming, you see this clicking will filter out those ones that are tech related, that are code related for you. Because mostly when you're a programmer, you want to be a developer, you want to apply for gigs or jobs that are what programmer related or software related. So yes, these are the jobs you can apply to as a software programmer, a software developer, and I believe you can have applied to one of them. Yeah, this you have. I wish the best. And when you click on this first one, for example, I'll pick the first one on the list, and this guy is still open. This proposal, this job is still open. Can you see the active status here? And so far, 16 people have applied for these jobs, and this is the rate what the client has given to this kind of jobs. And from here, you cannot send press your send button and press the same button. This is where you can paste in your also further details. This includes your name, your bio, what you can do, and what you can do irrespective of what this project details entails, and you put your quote here for the client to see, and what the amount of money the client has deposited before you can start the job. So when you click on when you fill in these three details, 1, 2, and 3, you can now click on the final button, which is send proposal, and wow, you are good to go. So I wish the best of luck in your job application. So at this point, if you want me to create a separate video on how to create a best on a befitting job proposal or job proposal or gig proposal for applying to this platform, you can just let me know in the comment section below. I'll create a separate video for how you can create a best and an eye-catching proposal for gigs or for jobs on this platform. So I believe at this point, if you watch this video to this end, congratulations, and I wish you the best. Start applying for jobs or gigs on this same platform. I believe if you are questioning about it, if you keep applying for jobs every day, I believe there's a one that will click at the end. So thank you for watching this video, and I believe you've learned a lot. You've gained some things in this video, some vital things, and how to make money as a software programmer or a software developer on internet and via this platform called Truelancer.com. And I'll leave a link in the description below for you to start applying, start registering, and how to get yourself into this platform. Thank you for watching my video, and I believe you've learned a lot. I want you to like this video and share this video with your coding friends and tech friends that are very good at their craft. And I believe at this point I cannot say bye for now.